what I got for you today is the LAMTTO Cellular Dash Cam. A lot of cool features with these for what I have seen so far, but let's open it, let's get it out of the box, and let's show you what you'll be getting. So the first thing that we get when we open the box is gonna get your DC22 user manual, and it's gonna be very important because with this is how you're gonna be able to download the app, which is gonna be pretty much for the camera. The best features that you're gonna be able to get is gonna be because of the app. However, you don't really need it. Like, the camera has a SD card in there and it has a loop, so pretty much it deleted the old videos and it's always recording. But let me go through some of the nice features of registered through the app. So when you register, you're gonna have a 4G LTE, which you're gonna be able to view, and it's gonna have a GPS tracking for your vehicle or wherever you put this camera on. The camera also has a G sensor, and that's how the camera knows when you slam on them brakes because somebody's about to hit you, or when somebody hits you and the G force kind of go outside of the limits, then that's when the camera activates. Having the LTE, you can also have a two-way voice call. The camera has some microphone and you can actually just call somebody and have a conversation while you actually look at them, because the camera has a two-way camera, has a front and rear camera. So this is gonna be kind of really nice if you have a fleet of people that work for you and you don't really want them to be talking on your phone. You can just call them straight to the dash cam. Or if it's your kid that just learned how to drive and you want to see what they're doing, or you want to track them, you have a GPS tracker. I'm not saying that you should, but hey, if you want to, why not? Make them safe. Another cool thing of the camera is that when you register through their network, you can pretty much go through the app and see what's going on no matter where you at, because it's a network, it's not a Bluetooth thing. So let's say that I'm going away and I don't have a camera in my house, but I kind of want to see what's going on. I can park my car facing my house and go through my phone, be like, let me see what's going on in the house, and go there and see on my phone what's going on, and it will show you. The camera is always on. The camera is gonna be powered via OBD. It's always gonna be powered pretty much. Even when the vehicle is off, the camera is still gonna be powered. And super simple to connect this thing. All you have to do is plug it into the OBD, run and hide your wires, connect it to the camera, and that's really it. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the FJ, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright guys, so we're back into the FJ. I'm gonna show you how to install this thing. It's gonna be super simple. Like I said, it has an OBD plug. You're just gonna plug the OBD right here, and then we're gonna run the cable through here, through this CM. We're gonna go all the way through here, and the cable is gonna come down here. This is where I'm gonna mount the camera. Okay, so most vehicles is gonna be just like this. The easiest way will be to remove your body seal to get access to the cable without taking anything else out. Once we get the cable, we're just gonna loop super easy. So now that we have our wires hooked up and ready to go, all we gotta do is install our camera. We want to make sure that we clean the windshield, it doesn't have any residue, so that way the 3M sticker or glue, whatever you want to call it, it actually sticks there. This is like dummy proof. It will only go one way, but what you don't want to do is to put it backwards, because then you're not gonna be able to install your camera, right? So you want to be able to drop it in place where it goes, make sure that's the right direction, and then take it out and glue it right where you want it. And just by the way, just to make sure, because you never know, this is the rear camera, this is the front camera. So front, rear, buttons go towards you. And so let's take the stickers out. And now let's put it on. So now that the camera is on, now I'm gonna go ahead and scan these and install the app and see what happened. Alright guys, so I was playing with the camera for a little bit just to get familiarized with it. It looks pretty good. To check the quality, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it on a test drive and I'm gonna let you see the actual footage of the camera. I'm gonna put it into the video. One thing that is pretty cool with the camera is that it have a swivel arm, so like if you don't really want to use the camera, you can just put it up and get it out of the way. However, even when it's on the way, it doesn't really bother me. It's not that big, it's a small camera, and the fact that it can face forward and rear is pretty good. So let's check it out. So right now I can access all the footage that is in the camera through the app, which is pretty cool because you can look at it, you can hear it if it has noise, and you can also download it if you decided to. Guys, I really enjoy the product. This LAMTTO dashcam is a must for nowadays. This will protect you from some of those accidents that people make on purpose just to get an insurance fraud, but much more. You get 24-hour surveillance camera in the vehicle. It will send you a notification through your app if something is going on fishy. You can call to the camera and talk to the person driving the vehicle to get GPS tracking and much more. Honestly, to get the best out of it, you're gonna have to register to their cellular data, but you don't have to. You can just run it straight to the SD card and it's still a great product. However, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna be leaving some links on the description. Yes, they do have an affiliate program. It won't cost you nothing. It will help me a little bit, but like I say, I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you around.